So here what I'm going to do is that if there is space, I'm going to assign the start value to a new variable, because if there is no space, we will have to make some adjustments to the start value. So for uniformity, what I'm going to do is that, let me put this within brackets because I'm going to add some more lines of code. So here what I'm going to do is that, let me have a new start variable where new start equal to 0, and here I'm going to assign new start equal to start itself, right? In this case we don't have to make any adjustments because there is enough space. Now in the else part, what I am going to do is that, suppose the word is egg, okay, E-G-G. If there is not enough space means that if we subtract the number of characters from 12, that is the number of rows, and if we get that particular position's start value, we can place it. That is, suppose EGG is starting from here as of now. Suppose it is EGG, which means that there is not enough space. So if we subtract the number of characters, that is 3 from 12, and we start from the 9th column, 12 minus 3 is 9. So if we start from 9th column, then there will be space. Actually we can start from 10th column, 10, 11, 12, because EGG is having 3 characters. But I am just subtracting the value from 12, okay. 12 minus 3 means 9. So we can start from 9, which means that EGG. There will be enough space. So that I am going to do here. So what I want to do, let me specify a new variable where new column, because the current column cannot be used as there will be no space. So where new column equals 12 minus the length of the word. So 12 minus this means it will be a new number, and I am going to fetch the starting value which is having this column number and this row number. Okay, so only column needs to be changed, right? So new start, how we can get that? I can specify $.individual of data row is, we don't have to make any changes to the row number, right? In that particular row itself we can display the word, but the column number should be modified. So data row equals, what should I do? I need to specify the row number here. So it is in the variable my row. So let me specify data row plus my row, okay, again a plus, and data column should be, so data column equals, what should be the data column value? It is the new column value. So I can get it from plus new column, then again a plus. So this will select that particular div element, and I want to get its index. That will be the new start value, right? Here if there is enough space, we are just assigning the start value which we got from here. That is the random number we have generated. But if there is not enough space, we are subtracting the number of characters from the value 12, which is the number of columns and number of rows. And then using that new column number, we are getting that particular div elements index, which will be the new start value. Okay, so we got the new start value, and here let us try to display new start value. Okay, instead of start, let us display the new start along with the start value. So let me specify new start here. Let us have a separator just to see it. Okay, so here we have modified the condition. Like that we need to do it for column as well. So here instead of new column, it will be new row, right? So if there is space, we just have to assign new start equal to start. So let me do that here as well. Let me add curly braces, and cut this and paste it, and let me just copy this because the start value will be the same. So here let me paste it, and in the else part what we will do, let me cut it from here, paste it here, and here let me specify where new row, because space is not there means that we need to move it towards the top using the row number. Suppose this is a word, no space in column milk, row number is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So MILK, K cannot be placed here. So if we subtract 12 minus 4, that is the number of letters in the word milk is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8 means the new row number will be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we start from here, there will be space. Even it can start from 9, but I am making it 8 only. So MILK can be placed. So what we need to do, we need to specify equals 12 minus, what should be subtracted? My array of I dot length. Okay. Then what should we do? New start equals, how we can specify dollar dot individual, which means that all the div elements, that is 144 div elements will be selected. From that, data row should be, what should be the value for data row? It should be the new row, right? So here let me specify plus new row. As these values are within variables, we are adding it outside double quotes, right? And after this, data column is the same as this one, that is my column itself, because we don't have to modify the column number. So my column equals, what I need to do, again and this double quotes, start a new one, put a plus, my column, again a plus, then this is done. Next, what I need to do here, let me also display the new start value as we have done in the previous case. So let me put a colon to separate them. Okay, here not equals, it is plus. Then let me display the new start. Now let me save this and check the new output. Let me refresh. See, space in row, egg, column number is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has to be displayed E, G, G. The row number is 5. Okay. Sorry, the start number is 100, which means that it will be somewhere 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. This is having the value 100 and the column number is this, that is 5. So it will be displayed from here, E, G, G. Then no space in column. Okay, here I haven't specified dot index, right? That is why no space in column, it is given as object. It is returning the div element. Actually, I want to get its index. So new start should be dot index. We have written it for row correctly, but I forgot to specify index. Now let me refresh it once again. So this time space in row, starting position is 8 and column number is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually it is 8 plus 1, 9. So here we have space for E, G, G. Then space in column for milk. Row number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 47, which means this is 35, right? Actually 36, but its index will be 35. So 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, MILK. Now no space in row. For butter, the column number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it was 66 and it has moved to 65. So butter. Then for space in column jam, space in row for oats, no space in row. So it is 1158. Sorry, space in row, no space in row for sugar. So from 117 it has moved to 114. So like this we are getting the messages. Now let us try to place these values, that is these letters, in that corresponding place. So how we can do that?